Hey everybody, Dave Hamilton from Mac Geek Gab here, and I'm here to tell you about Carbon Copy Cloner CCC backup from the folks at Bombich Software. Yeah, that's bombich.com. I have been a Carbon Copy Cloner user for, certainly over a decade here. It is my primary line of defense on my primary Mac, right? To back up everything that I need backed up in customizable ways. And I love the way that it does stuff. I also love that Bombich and Carbon Copy Cloner are CES 2026 coverage sponsors here at Mac Geek Gab. So all of the great videos that you're seeing Pete and I do all week that are being produced out there by Sadie and the team, without our coverage sponsors, we can't do these, right? So I love that I get to tell you about this for both of those reasons. So let me show you a little bit about my installation on this computer. And then this is my studio machine, so things are a little bit different up here. But this is what your backup window looks like. You pick what you're going to back up from. And of course, I'm going to choose a different source, but it is still called Deception. So there it is. Okay, we're going to remove the audit from that. Yep, we're getting this up to date. That's the clone drive that I can plug in. It has a SafetyNet, which is a cool thing. We were just talking about this on a recent episode. What it does is when you have it set to clone something, right? Clone means clone deletions too, right? If you deleted something from the source, it's going to delete it from the destination. Well, the SafetyNet moves it from the destination in its normal spot to a SafetyNet folder that it keeps for a little while, so that in case you accidentally deleted something, you've got, yes, a SafetyNet, right? And another thing that I love about this is you can choose what to do pre-flight and then also post-flight, right? So you've got all of these settings, and then post-flight, you can say, what do you want to do? You want to unmount the destination volume? Fine. Run another task, right? So you can chain tasks together. Love that. I do that on my computer in the office. I have a couple of things where I back up like my photos and then my iTunes library. And I don't want it to do all of those things at once because I'm copying them to my disk station. And so I want those things to happen in order, but I don't want to have to guess as to when I should run the second one. I don't need to. I tell it, run the first one at 3 a.m. and when you're done, run the next task, right? So very cool stuff. And like I said, one of my favorite apps, visit bombich.com, bombich.com. You can go download a 30-day trial and start playing with it on your own machine and really getting a sense for how it works. I love their line, everything you wish Time Machine did and more. Couldn't be more true. It is my first line of defense on my primary Mac, and I couldn't live without it. And it's just great for, you saw it up here, I needed to clone something when I was moving drives around, and it's just great for that. So, yeah, go check it out, bombich.com. Our thanks to Bombich for being a CES 2026 coverage sponsor here, and also just for creating this app that we use. I love that every one of our coverage sponsors is apps that we use, or apps and hardware, right? Stuff that we use. So go check it out, bombich.com. Make sure to stay subscribed so you can see all the videos that all our coverage sponsors are able to allow us to create for you while we're out here at CES, filtering through the noise and really narrowing things down. So our thanks to you for staying subscribed and being a great audience. And our thanks to all our coverage sponsors, including bombich.com with Carbon Copy Cloner. And stay subscribed. Don't get caught.